Hello. Today, we'll try to withdraw the money earned on the Yohealth project to a card and make it available for use. As a reminder, we previously exchanged our steps for NFTs on the Ortak marketplace. Let's go to the marketplace and open the dashboard section. In the previous video, we sold 2 NFTs that were on our balance, and now we see 1.94 FTN in our main wallet. If we want to use these funds, the simplest solution is to transfer them to a crypto card from the Whitebit exchange. You can open a card using the link below this video. The process is straightforward. Now, let's go to Whitebit, open the wallet, and look for the FTN token in the deposit list. We can top up the account using the provided address in the Bahamut network, but keep in mind the minimum deposit amount is 1.6 FTN. Let's copy the address where the funds will be sent and returned to Ortak. Note that before withdrawing funds, you need to enable two-factor authentication. In the Payments tab, paste the address where the funds will be sent and enter the withdrawal amount. Enter the 6-digit code from Google Authenticator and click the Withdraw button. A pop-up window confirms that the payment was successful and the cryptocurrency has been debited from the main account. Let's return to Whitebit. We see our balance is just over 3 USDT, and in the Recent Transactions section, a deposit is pending. It takes 60 confirmations on the Bahamut network for the funds to be fully credited. The process is quite fast. We see 3, then 19, and finally the money is credited. Our balance has increased to $11. Let's recap what we've done. We exchanged 145,000 steps from Yohealth for Ortak NFT. Then we sold them and withdrew the funds to the Whitebit exchange, as shown in the Ortak transaction history. Now, let's click on the Nova Card tab, but we see that its balance hasn't changed. The problem is that it's not possible to top up the card with FTN. You need to convert it to another currency. To do this, go to the main balance section and transfer 1.94 FTN to the spot section. Select the FTN/USDT pair and convert the token to digital dollars. In the Assets tab, we see that our FTN has turned into 8 USDT. Now, transfer the funds back from the trading balance to the main balance, and you'll notice the card balance has increased. You can add the Whitebit card to Google Wallet and use the funds on it for everyday purchases just like a regular bank card. Among the card's advantages, there are no fees for issuance, maintenance, or inactivity. I've already tested the card and used it several times for supermarket purchases. The exchange rate and cashback pleasantly surprised me. In total, I paid 3% less than if I had used a regular bank card. By the way, for subscriptions, including mobile services, the cashback is 10%, but thanks to the favorable crypto exchange rate, it comes out to 11.5%. You can choose categories daily. Just fantastic. As a payment tool, you can use up to 11 cryptocurrencies at the same time, which are virtually combined into one account. If there's not enough of the first currency on the list to pay, the payment will automatically go through the second, third, and so on. In conclusion, this method of withdrawing funds from Yohealth is the most optimal and has minimal fees. However, unfortunately, the Whitebit crypto card is not available in all countries. When applying for the card, use the link below the video and check if it's active in your country. But even if you're not eligible, don't worry. In the next videos, we'll look at other withdrawal methods. See you on YouTube.